Hello everyone, I am Abhinav M. Hari. This is a setup which can be used in trains to detect obstacles very far away from it. Many elephants are dying by hitting by trains. So to avoid this, I made this project. So the components used are an ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino board, and an Bolt IoT module. So this works by when the ultrasonic sensor detects an obstacle, it sends the data to the Arduino board. The Bolt IoT board, which read the data from the Arduino board, and I have set a threshold distance value which is 13, and if the value is less than 13, it will send a message via Twilo to inform the driver of the train or this station, so that they can do or slow down the train or do any necessary measures to avoid the hitting of train with the elephants. So let's see a demonstration of the work. So this is the Arduino code I have used. I don't know if it is clear. I will put the link to it in the description. So here I have created an Python script which can receive the data from the Bolt IoT and check if it is less than threshold and if it is less than to send messages. So I have issuing some network connectivity problem. So let's try. I have put my hand as an obstacle near the sensor. The device is offline. Let me check my network. I am thinking that network is back online again. The green light which indicates the volt is connected to a cloud is on. So let's try once again. Once again showing the device is offline. Let me try once again. Yes, now the network is back and I am getting values. Okay. Now I am using my hand to act as an obstacle. The bolt reads the data like approximately 1 minute. It takes 1 minute to collect data. Showing the device is offline. As I said, I am getting a network problem. So let me try once more. Yes, okay, now the threshold is less than 13 and I'm waiting for the message to come. Call recently came and I lost the network again. Yes, I got the message. As you can see, this is the message I received from Twilio saying obstacle detected. So thank you. I hope this project will help to save the lives of elephants and other wildlife also. Thank you.